In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a list in Google Tasks. If you use Google Tasks to keep track of different projects, you might end up with lists you no longer need. Removing those extra lists keeps your workspace clean and makes it easier to focus on what matters most. Let's start by opening the Google Tasks app on your phone or tablet. You'll land on your current list or task view. To see all your lists, look toward the bottom left corner of the screen and tap the menu icon. It looks like 3 horizontal lines. This opens the panel where all your task lists live. When the side panel opens, you'll see the lists connected to your account. Take a moment to confirm the exact list you want to remove, because deleting a list will also remove every task inside it. Now tap the name of the list you want to delete to make sure it's selected and you're viewing the correct one. With that list open, look to the bottom right corner and tap the 3-dot menu. This is the More Options menu for the list you're viewing. From the options that appear, choose Delete List. Google Tasks will ask you to confirm, just to make sure nothing gets erased by accident. On the confirmation prompt, tap Delete. After you confirm, the list disappears from your sidebar and from the main view, and all tasks that lived in that list are removed as well. This action doesn't affect your other lists, your reminders, or anything else in your Google account, so only the selected list is impacted. A quick tip before you move on. If there are tasks you might need later, consider moving them to another list before you delete. Also, menu placements can look slightly different depending on your device or app version, but the icons are the same: 3 lines to open your lists and 3 dots for options. So once you spot those, the flow is identical. If you manage many lists, for work, personal goals, or classes, periodically reviewing and removing what you no longer use can boost clarity. Clear labels help too, so the list you delete is unmistakably the one you intend, and you keep everything else organized. That's the entire process. Open Google Tasks, use the 3-line menu to find your list, open it, tap the 3-dot menu, pick Delete List, and confirm by tapping Delete. Take a breath, double check before you confirm, and you'll keep your task space tidy without losing anything important by mistake.